And welcome back. You saw before the break, yeah, we set a record today, or we tied a record. Latest one was in 1948, 82 degrees for a high day. Overnight lows were at 67, so we were above our normal. Unfortunately, though, yeah, this is the last 82 we're going to see for a while, or last 80 we're going to see for a while, at least on the 7-day, because cold front's going to be sweeping through tonight, dropping our temperatures. Where's the cold front at right now? Well, it's been just to our west. Not too far, though. What's interesting is, if you remember, we talked about last time we had a large cold front move through, had the chance for some snow. We called it an anti-front, which meant the majority of the precipitation was behind the cold front. This is another one of those cases where you have the majority of the precipitation going through Memphis, Nashville, behind this cold front, which is lined up right there. We'll get a closer in on a look. You can see, yeah, it's knocking on our doorstep right now. So get ready. Water vapor shows where we have all the moisture. You can see really just streaming up this line, just really cool to look at. Behind it, a lot of dry air. This dry air is going to kind of move in a little bit quicker than we thought, so we don't expect too much in the way of rain as this cold front moves on through. Most of it's going to kind of dissipate before it gets here. Thankfully, you know, precipitation for next week's a little bit of a different story. For tonight, though, 42 degrees for an overnight low, rain and drizzle this evening. The winds will be shifting, being more out of the northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, much colder. That front's moved on through, and behind it, we're left with those northerly winds. Not Arctic air, though. Not by any means, just cold air. We're talking one overnight low, maybe near freezing, most likely going to be above it, and then we'll get a quick warm-up. So this is going to be a quick blast of air. Future radar shows you the cold front moving on through. Behind it, again, those scattered showers kind of dissipate, and we're left for tomorrow with some partly cloudy skies. So we will see some sunshine, and I talked about where we have this chance of rain tonight, or drizzle really, and then next week, early next week, we have another shot of rain, a better chance. And we're talking anywhere from a quarter to a half inch of rain more as you're going up to north and to west over the next 5 days. The summer's been here for a while, but if you've noticed, the colors actually start to kind of shift downward. It's looking more and more likely that we're going to get enough moisture return, that we're going to have at least some thunderstorms across the area. So tomorrow, we're talking 50s for highs. The winds out of the north, 5-10 miles per hour. Could gust higher at times, up to 15. So it's going to be chilly outside. Make sure you take your jacket with you. And this weekend, jet stream far to our north. This is our next rainmaker. Going to be moving through Arkansas, Oklahoma, into our area eventually starting on Monday, really. So your weather brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. We'll take a look at your next 3 days here, and we'll be in the 50s for Friday into Saturday. Overnight lows, again, will be above freezing, but some places, especially off to the north and to the west, could hit that freezing mark, especially in the more rural areas. But it's a quick warm-up. Sunday, yeah, we'll have some low clouds, but we'll be in the mid-60s. We get back in the 70s from Monday into Tuesday of next week. Unfortunately, that's when that next system rolls on through, and we're talking a shower or two for your Monday, and the main storm system gets here on your Tuesday. Rain and thunderstorms, warm, but then another cold front moves on through. Overnight lows in the 40s. Thankfully, though, we'll be in the 60s for highs Wednesday into Thursday, and we're looking at ending next week in the upper 60s. So we'll get, you know, this rain out of here tonight, or this drizzle. Have a few days of being a little bit below average, and then we'll quickly get above average. Just some more rain in the forecast.
Thank you, sir.